too much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much
GH. So, but the best media school in Ghana, and Too Much Multimedia College. We say about equipment, a church for our quadrant award this year. Any air conditioned room, dear. About media law, advertising, camera handling, and marketing, dear. And location, Abeka Flipper Junction. Fanamba ne was you. Now one cassa free. No be another one. I'm moving Cassa me from one cassa free.
What's your favorite food here?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
If you want to eat any food, you have to come to Oseko Park.
You can come and have a taste of their food. It's very nice.
I always come here. This is like my 10th time of coming here.
Ahana Steven appear bedidi eco viral. I would order you are bringing it right there at your doorstep. And here pay fee. Na mo be dwani pa. Na hana dwani papa wo. You were East Legon, Boundary Road, opposite the self-filling station. What's your favorite food?
Fried rice.
Mamo akwaba edeba tuma GHSO ebre aso se woman Ghana emu ensem dia kodro yede ebesomo ewo ye fidie yiso na sa de tie dia ne de sebusafo yendomu tukwe na eneyi abeto dwase Captain Smart wo ye radio presenter and TV host tese na face the country shase wo shemu Kenya nya semketwa wo dedicating show ede ema face the country won sem emucha for enkran saka ne say sisi ade wa twen aside na Kwame A+ ene de nsem no betu dwa na wo kiremu no emucha for wo kiremu ede siga na fonim say Captain Smart eju omu yodom wo bi odom akosi won be a face the country odom akosi just wo muntimi achieve bibia wo campaign ni mu na won sem no ye bedo mosuko ene de ye bewrem pa sa so ena eneyi Anas Aremeyao Anas oni ne dwumekuo eye Tiger IPI womo TSFM no ababo ntabe react to allegations agodwa womo former worker na womo late worker Ahmed Hussein Swale the second wife allegations but ebe to dwa etia no de ho report about abe react a nsemu according to womo so di womo enima mate say $10,000 sikebi abepiemu ewomu na nini ano so ene ya ye boremu ehu ensem no se na emu sifatia kasakasa enzabe wo hwe media ene ye krado jejeda wa konyem yie na bomodin a miem ye wo phone so frɛ wo bibiara obetimi afrɛ ne sense se ade too much GH on life ezo no so mbra on board na ye discuss wo my Ghana emu nsem se ne kan ko ebetimi akɔ enim na te se ye de sane ye de fa live chat no so contribute to the discussion na yi de enyame nkwa ena meti amunua ba matun kra de afre me director Ben Bruce o me chesa so na binuam bi so ba be ka mo internet show nde ebekọ enim pa ebe hu nsem ase ewa anti ekrado pa na boa me na me ma na kwa aba ni ra ensem no prekope director mo akwa aba
ya me de
bibia boko
say etin komi bibia dandi
na hu wie mu sen bibia dande kwa mu ase Ghana nyama ye din kakra na
bibia me say the greatest miracle is that you would be any sorry yeah, that's the greatest miracle
no pray
so I'm
happy see that you
that's it oda wa bu ni bibia
e penfo kra so uni mo bu ahwe
na ti de bia nya me ma sorry a e so de asedama
ampa e da nya me ase se na ye da so tenkwem na nka meni ma bedwa fo pa but ini emu ni ye hwe
okay
Captain Smart for some time wabe some center icon bia odwe wa won ti ase especially with face the country was shemu Kenya can some dedicated the show to a ban or problems what Ghana no hit hard at the government say kwan bia so no one more end solve it all of a sudden I said they face the country for no a man for sure secretary as a moon you omo your mo so go demonstration na ya be kasa wa ene yen kwatia yeso wa twe asan that is back chair wa twe asan if face the country who say does it have anything to do with in the current position and the current place or share na the ope e woni ni so na who say emwa biem face the country agenda na enye good enough for him tina we jai
mechi wati efo no hwen anopai e oba bia mo bia e da masese de bia mo hwen na mtie your friend say upa journalism mo na uko news mo your friend be a friend relevance means say ade esi no e fa ho ana
ana to asumpo
yeah no how does it concern you?
Oh okay
what do I say?
Yeah
near tia me fa fi on say they are metis a Captain Smart every multi TV na msi due
do you saying
yes unim no multi TV no multi control yeah one control be a star players but you need to control them.
Okay
one control your man o hon to that what in the American say it is that ultimate film multi TV na msi due now yeah what were they talking about? Fix the country na in so pa ne say
na asema no mutai kapa me tie ene say on be say yen sisa constitution because it favor abemu nko
okay. Constitution fine needs to be changed but who say at the end of na a political kakra in a sense say na afa na nko blame the current administration they say they were not doing enough but let me take you back to the genesis of the whole problem.
Okay
you see the moment Ghana they be make a change say yeah problems no started with Nkrumah but we don't know. I'm telling you
you're not independence
yes
okay.
Getting independence fine was good but getting republic was the useless thing Ghana ever did. I'm telling you Mami church yomu getting independence fine you've gained independence okay. But not politically and maturity wise you're ready to take the reins of government.
Yenye crado. I say one penny for me patcho me brother. Oyi Kwame Nkrumah si nchana na before bia be pave we no ma asaki nipa drain say o e betimi aboya nkasa ye bra wo manyi mu the big six no more badada da o ma man ko fa adwan o say o e si ayen kwa yetimi for me na say brand so go for school enti say wono no the republic ban how useless does it make it because
Ama you telling your parents say I'm of age does not mean say you are of age. It takes some level of thinking. Kwame Nkrumah say he's the bane of our problem. I'm telling you. Because that time no independence. No. Independence was by republic. Not as a white, more key positions to still develop the country. Because at the time of independence, now you was discussing South Korea. Look at Ghana now. Look at Ghana where we are now. Masa, when Oji are they not buying? Really no. Confound the decision of Michelle. I'm not starting corruption first. I'm not starting self for to bet golf. You say. It's who can Ghana problems. It started with Kwame Nkrumah. Oh, it didn't start with anybody. That time, no me who the agency of it said, "You bear republic." The Americans say because sebetio, sikape, esunsa makopeska. In a so say your mouse car. Okay. Your mouse car and spending a different. And I walk up car and spending a different. If you are your choice and your discount by your choice and your pesca. That is our problem in Ghana. You send your discount by your nipsika. I'm telling you, it's government and a ban. Your yarn said, yeah, rose, yeah, way, not yet the bit to Toso. It's a kaya brato one. And ya or mine to my yo. And ya go for to my emma. Yes, it can be generations unborn. Minute now, wait, Jimmy. Oh, your mind now, what's your memo now? Oh, better. Oh, your man. Yes, they say, and I say, lick will be a buy. Ghanaian politicians on more offshore account. They can't offshore. Offshore account. I yet to me, because I said black market way account.
Oh, okay.
Yes, see, the whole Africa, about 70 politicians. If you can tell me, say, continent, we're not ready for takeover, then we are jokers. Because after so many years of independence, if corruption is number one problem in Ghana, then we are sick. Yeah. So I say, we were never ready. It did not fix the country, not me who in someone or Mokeka. Because as some now can, as some to me, and you know, so as an change the constitution is nice. Because the change of the constitution should be the first thing. Let you fix the country. It should be like fix the constitution. Because once the constitution is fixed, everything will be fixed.
Okay, now who feel say common campaign and based on the constitution.
Fix the constitution.
Rather than the
because
country.
The constitution from the word go no and your bogus constitution, it was made for one person.
Okay.
What did I say? And you see, we should have an African constitution. We've always borrowed ideas from the West. Yeah, constitution a hybrid of the UK and then the US constitution. So what did I say? I had to know, but where is the African constitution? Make an African constitution.
Yeah.
What did I make? I say? It's a constitution that should form the basis of our constitution. But we are in a country therefore far obidia or no one practicing for over 500 years, 600 years, and we as a nation after independence, we are using that terminology and now our foundation to build our foundation. How do you go on? How do we go on? It's in the first country, in the first place was not good because where they were starting was more political. Say, yeah, fixing roads. Yeah, fixing roads are not Master, between me now.
Okay.
Constitutionally, you're good. You don't need to tell the government to fix the roads.
Wow.
Because whoever is in charge, who is the road minister, when you say I'm fixing road now, it's a semi-bar, you'll be jailed.
Yeah.
The government can support him. And I say, because right now, so the government quarter, Attorney General will stand in. Attorney General, he or she is what? A lawyer for the state. You can't sue him. Or hey, right from the word go, no, your hands are tied. And the politicians who are doing politics are having a field day. And we are just playing a chess. Where banu our body there, we need a push when we are back. That is what is going on. So right from the word go, no, now fix the country. Enko baby.
Ha, ebusia for Ghana wa mayimu ensem. Face the country. Be a dear could do not to say, maybe say him based on Captain Smart.
Thank you.
As a host, a leader of the youth.
Thank you.
Who said with the Stella or Yene Juman to a me, I got that mass following from the youth. I do not join me face the country campaign just because of him. Because of the way now he was boldly out there saying things that youth more interest because I said they would say youth no and never bring ko ye efa momo. Now wait me I drive if the youth could do something so I'm very eager to cause a change because after all change starts with us.
Yeah.
Now one more starting from somewhere now what drive back. What did he mean with this?
They be a casual man. And different from what you believe in and what you are doing.
So from the start, he didn't believe in
what you believe in. Okay. Yeah, what you believe in. Your beliefs in life is sometimes different from what you are doing today.
Okay.
You might be what? Somebody who believes in corruption. But your actions and inactions doesn't speak like that. What did I say?
Yeah.
The word go no. What was happening? Was it because Sadia see your Pamu free radio station, no? And that fix the country, and started gaining momentum, no? Or didn't who say Muna a yes, sir? And now I said, did something go on? Yes, some control will be no new be quan business that no, at the end of the sea. What did I make an answer? Into from the word go no, Captain Smart no dear no. Besides, say credibility wise, no, was he credible? Because there were issues with him, and the marital issues and all that.
Fraudulent issues. For the bar up against.
Yes, something that he couldn't stand up and say, I am clean. Put me to the test, and you will see that I'm clean. If you can't be put to the test, how do you lead, fix the country? Ama, if you can't put yourself to the test, how do you say somebody has done something? Nyame say, cast the first stone. So if you are casting the first stone, make sure you are clean. Okay. No. Wow, time next start here. Yabu born the cabo of Sununo. Yabu born your masha munos. Mamina ye. Your man in a year, a dear ban and one day. It's not quickly, no moving. But you see, the youth of today.
Okay.
Let's wise up. And ye be beyond a sebi, essay, menu with the actuary. Obi or Honma or yet not for the own selfish interest. It's not me from beginning the first time I can say, let's do critical analysis of the word fix the country. What are they talking about? What are they fixing? Because if you are telling me, say, problems and Kuma started here and everyone that would ban now, why is it today? And what is your basis of saying fix the country? You're fixing it. Can we fix the whole problems today?
It's a man strategize. Say the whole.
There was no plan.
There was no plan.
There was no plan.
It's one who and who say losing the debt.
Who say your movement?
Okay.
Your movement. There's some slogan be one man who put it up in a certain way at a certain time and gather momentum. That was what he did. But believe me and you, he didn't really believe in what he was saying. Because if he believed in what he was saying, he wouldn't right now backtrack.
Let's all promoting the platform.
Oh, I said when you mean the market sim ponano. Odum ponano no who said you can no one done no oba. Now would the sweat Jimmy Tijana ponano and that's upper gathering so the call. Sana but from the word go no, I saw said there were loopholes in whatever he was saying. It wasn't real. It wasn't real. Because near mana say you say. But let's check his history.
Yeah, check
let's go back.
Yeah, check it.
Those times, yeah, to say Mahama Mano V8, right?
Yeah.
Now one take. Those times, Mahama you cry to say, NDC for man is kept some Pachicha food soldiers. Sikana and you say, well, I can't you. Yeah, do Neyere side. You say Neyere in your warrant no year. Now down for be here.
Obi cry by because we're dripping of over 250,000.
Yes, and now maybe Becca said, what do Piomo? Nina or man answer that. They be a bar, no bunk of wetty. 80 bisa who said, I didn't know you can't some toso. Not a no cry. Why don't you answer? You should be able to answer.
Yeah.
If you are that plain, you should come out and say, Master, this is wrong. This is wrong. But if you keep mute, it means that there's something wrong. So it's just BBS were cheer baby tina or pull back nana. And I said the Biana say no, what do no episode be before so he needs to pull back.
There's something going on.
That's what I'm saying. He doesn't even believe in what he's doing.
Okay. Because
if they say so believe in what you are doing, at the point of death, he will still believe in it.
Okay.
But Edu baby now catch me say you have stopped. What made you stop? What happened? Was it that you had what a higher voice somewhere?
Captain Spassen can he be influenced because
we'll
be or Casabra will be a or no go bet reaction or grandpa or bet reaction or can he be bought?
Mammy, you say anybody can be bought. Anybody can be bought. Anybody can be bought.
Okay.
What in your make can I say?
Yeah.
If you see a way one, if you see a way, I'm saying yes, super na obi anti miantom. Because yes, you cry no bonsam yes and professor Tom. Bodu, yes, mammy told no baby.
Yes.
Who say yes, you are fast in the year?
Yeah.
No, what Sereno son. Bonsam I say, me the yes be man. No go or bribe yes. And on open no to me resist your bonsam, but apart from or no, obi to me resist your bonsam. It took a time say Captain Smart, he's a human being. He has flaws. The things that we are saying about him, he has never come out to say or deny. Say it's never true. So he can be bought.
Who will buy him? Like for what reason? Who is buying him and for what reason?
You see, the political scene that we have is very, 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 very fragile. Money can change hands within short time.
Okay.
Money can change hands, or some favors can change hands. That is what me I know.
Okay.
Because they now believe in say this is what I'm doing and this is what my cause what. There is no way you backtrack. And I will say, some fixes the country, Was he really believing in that thing? And I said, was it based on some ideology? And I said, Obiasema Wakaman or so follow. Who said the movement was gathering way, so let me just be part of it for my own way, selfish interest. Misao.
Okay. Like I said, there are so many questions.
So many questions.
The entire all withdrawn from the.
So many questions.
Okay, but that's it. Everything for my guest. I say, and I may join more with him. I say, many a bear, madam for a Diana Bar, Kweku Amponsa, one of the communicating officers at my NPP. Kaiko Central. I say, Waba, many of them are more quaba.
Yeah.
Now, I'm the Mamuta boy, and I say,
so yeah, better than Bano. So we catch you saying, you persuade a minister, confirmation of the president appointed seat.
Okay.
Me will Amasamaya, say a base me, I confirm honorable Clement Wilkinson.
Okay,
but now, yeah, me promise you will say that I will make everything possible and command the member. But we share enough time. If you want more bar or traffic in your dinner, by the Miadum, who say the free Amasama Bano,
at the moon,
Hey.
Papa ya otis.
What's that come? I am there.
Ono no ma de
And okay.
Na ni so ade ehunu no enye ne no start here. Tutu say oh adrepa e will be perform Ghana for.
No cray.
Do share free am some ba. In fact, me biti to be fa okada say na me kan na me ba say. Then okada bi. But me share kwa me fa car kwanka by this time because my baby.
Ko we do that.
That begin the musa. No do hu me ya na say no be say me give me boshe so.
Okay. We do that say we do boshe so na say it na papa se bo a.
Oh, on dey say and that all clear so be any I dey say that all clear clear who be say. We mo ano tumo ni pa bi a we ase ni bo na ba so.
No cray.
Let me say you say okonfo ete o mema o hu de oh yeah but mo mo ache ni mo say eh sa asomesi oba adwuma pa dubo so bu alo free nkran no ko bo ase bu alo free obo ase no obesia bankran just wo hu bibi obi mu opese we de otu bata ko he pakro
Okay.
nti no woluma idea o ye adwuma
Obo
ye se nyakopon enchila ne ahoden den e ma no mo ni nyansa dodo no fa etikire ye ma bibia ye den
enko so ye de
radio say the 4 years ni 8 years now the second term ni before so de be wie na say Ghana ha de any we asa fa na nyina no obi abon say eh sa o man pen bi ba Ghana na fe na adodan kwaku fado the go be boy de na eso ni papa
you me dey say my catch that I said ko sisi obeye me kwan ya da ha say nde me nya nka asem ni bi nti de ye fe ra ye nkombo no emu Captain Smart for some time now one mama nyuko no say na mo je de husu because of ne doma wo ene nsema na wo kan to face the country crowd ko join here no ne nsema na eba na say the pressure to so pa and say ya beto just say we free fix the country who ne say my what drink akra e fa ho get it we film
yo me nya na ya na ama
yeah
meda was bi me akonya wo dia mama am say Semetiano Mammy sound for Asadak is sound from your mom penny, His Excellency in another Danka Kufado. Say a Juma Pa, Gusa or Yamagana. Best in Yakuponshila near Modene, Agni. Now the man of the book, command. No, I asked what the Nasi. Say, Miami, Yabema, the new MC for Upper Dempster East. MC Eben will hear me. Honorable Ebenezer Force, appear Force. The new MC for Upper Dempster East. Yamon Amo, in so by Yadima, you from the town, you and Dempster Memo. And I what's my with me? I say, what's the Captain Smart? And about the face the country.
Yeah, you see how I quit it. It's good you see on camp or money at J-Pass or I me
Tihano man, Mitihasa Ganani.
Okay.
On my papa.
No credit.
Yes. Now you near Captain Smart. I say we are in Nedma or Yen Ghana. I say. You must be a Tiano, a Shannon, and you do dia and also a Ghanani. In fact, a Toda or Cassaut Muse, Unyayan or Mano said to be a woman and Gayading. Assistant, and I say, I couldn't.
Yeah.
But, I'm paying for say. Yen fiti preocupe empa yeso nti ye je yen found the independence in 1957 ate pa oman no since ane ye first population census ye hu ye do ti see me no ka say ye na over 30 million plus
yeah
out mu say oman no economy we are now developing e o ma bia afi na ye den ye boabo ye sene kran nti nye say ye benya bibia putupulum e den ya baby be den ebetosini
okay
in fact developed countries grandpa no ko ho no na so tie ho nsema o tumu se eno mo ahye da enkoyesa
okay
enti obi o ye man papa na se o feel the sympathy for Nikuro se o nkaminya ya kamikuro na yesi ya me hu ni se enye adebone say near Captain Smart say o Ghana face the country say one free face the country mu no e yo no one discussion o hu se o man enkoyi anase no ma bi won my tosi nte o say ye boa aban no eden office na eyiyi na yeye so ye ma me no mienu enya aban na anase mo pay na o tia akunya so no ye den
and I yeah
na say o free face the country so o free face the country there face the country no me who say the word face the country no e ade bia enya de asembone because yet to abama aban and say government be say omla ni so na yi o so be your man so de bo man so be fix the country na adodan kwaku fado o pe banya so ba be di o man pan ni o Ghana no adwene pa and say na ni so de hu say obetuna be di o man so no wa fix o man Ghana yie ni yie so and say oba no de na be say o man no ense kura sa ye to aba man say o me fix the can don't so nim say o man no yie di enti no we dey obe say obedi o man yes obe say me say me president keke
ntenye din je na
keke din je keke obe say obe fix Ghana yie because ono no o so no o say o pe de e koso amon no tena mon ne ade ya o say o man no o man Ghana bit me dey eduru bi o man dey eduru nti obe say obedi o man no fix the country nti me ka say face the country no nya ade bi e ya ade bone obi obe ka say face the country bia me hu say say npa say ne ko konto kwa ana say ne nya asem
ase mamu pressure kakra edu bebre na say de makonya moteso na so am she mu de mo ya mu
ye mampani edu na chin ye odidie woni mu ye odidie pa woni mu say na na do danko ku fado ono onim say obedi yakua no o she Ghana fo bo say obe fixe die eye o mampani da adwo mahama one na mamuo o ma say ne kura no obe fixe ene ne kura oba yi nso no utum se bibia de da no kwam obe fixe no mo beble aban da say no unimbi mesimi nimbi the whole world mu hwe me obi anim de o mampani da e friend John Damani Mahama one na NDC omba ye omba bo o ma no say o ma ne kura no na do danko ku fado oba yi office but on me fixe ni na no kwede da ho ba akopɛ. See the big kakan we are a developing country. Yet it's no man kakran. Me ka say Joma ba mama me hwe. Me ka say Ahmed ba wa anya hwe. Oh yeah bi. But joba ya no. On be for man here den. When here anyo man no and no more you see here na. The same thing and another danko ku fado. Obetran so I see I can 3 years. On to me nya de Ghana for pe bia ma no. So what baby? Okay. We are developing the country. Kakra.
Okay.
But see face the country. See be obe say we be out plan no e ho na saying, hey, e kwan we dey for so many years. I say aban na bunani aguso. Obe so baba ye bibia wo kwan so a.
The same day.
Wo ho akwanya anasa wo ho kwan say obetumi aka se da bi me bro ni so. The ekoso ende enye ni ya to abama eye akandifo bi say omumra no mefese omo so omo ni mo ban mandate and gentle to aye aban man o jo so omo so be de ebeye e say o prompt say nipa ko na to aban so mefese country no o prompt enya bone to
that money Captain Smart ni ase na ya do so e man ba pa won ka de o kan
obia we are in a freedom country also obia to we can go so asem
okay
ni aba me fa asem show mu dienye e wo mantem no ka ti se nyame ya dom abafo e obitumi ku telephone no da ko jam bi so face the country me kwan enye enso to a hanom agiri oya wotumi atwe empenfo a yatoba mu kra dna
e do na ba we de mama pincho ano kra but Monica to Smart enya asem kra mo communicators ni bi nsem na wo mo keka bra na no so ye campaign tia ya ben na ase de o mo nsem na ase de mo feel say Captain Smart attack aban NPP aban no personality na ase na mo ni enya got is 1 or 2 communicators ni be Ahmed say one of my member of parliament honorable Kiri Japan Krampo and then they were faced because of same year nti aditi na dey mo akogina fix the country kwa
na ma yen honorable member of parliament honorable Kiri Japan so o ka say e be on Captain Smart abenya issue because of face the country me no nya adwene to the sense say honorable Kiri Japan onya ba bia nka say face the country no enya asempapa see American face the country asema asempa obia o mere mu ha no obia nim say ya taba ma ban say on face the country ya taba ma ban say on face the country so I just say it is ya taba ma ban say on face the country as a Captain Smart ka say aban on face the country na onye on ka asembone and say ona bukere Japan on so nka say Captain Smart say aban face country nti no on na nya bi Captain Smart ona
say no we na hi wa ga say won asem bebre na o say
no tie say me no tie why ya de na say ya de boni ameka
okay
o ka say aban no emphasize the country no ye ne temamfo me ne umienu no ye ne yeso ye yere abo o man no
okay
say bia chinchina a wo say aban ne emphasize the country no but ensuo nto no ensuo to ensuo yili fa konfo no what chire bola bi wo fe no ko hwe agu aye gotem ono no aban ne be fese krampo a menua obeye na aban no ko tena aban kase mu ana so ko tena fie papa mu ensuo nto me fa no but wa wo ti o man twa ba bi no what park bola and then so to that football them e bia wo de enya but obi o te ba bi no e na kwakọ yeden e be kwakọ akọ no na say e be kwakọ se e be kum enipa ho no
okay
it's all cause face the country now it goes to face your own attitude because you need to be from na kasa no ye nye adepa
okay
in fact me ka ho bi ye nye ade me mo man no etumpon ye mboa oman no aban ne ho aban ne numienu so what I say and is how see aban emphasize the country na ban akwa ye asay sika me numienu sika o anya aban sika o na say nye akufo sika o anya president akufo sika o anya me numienu ye taxpayers money and o dia akwa ye sika akwa ye ade pepe bi o amasamai and now her graphic ma ama epokwasi interchange ye na na 3 months ago 2 months ago ye light a year ho ko first at area
omu wia cables no
yes almost at area a cables ni I lost on omu de sisi akwa say the be am ko betumi ade afon omanfo ye se ya physical to know ban ya ba be fese no yes as well den area nti ono wonam kwam na se honom light ni honom a somebody there because say bia aban no kra me fese light but me no ka say ya be wia sa light na ban e be
fese so obi awia
nti ono no ye oman ya ye tim Ghana hai as the air cost hanom a ye nyaga sample ye we are not ready to face ourselves sabana be boa ye nyaga sample ye nyere say wabobo anka ye be face ye ho because ye ya di jinjan a emu ma oman no puntu na ye de
enkonim okay
so me na what you say
afi ma to asi
nti no ya face the country no enye adebone na face the country nya adebone so ye nyaga say tie oman ni mu so no o say etime face ye own attitude ye be ye betumi aboa ma oman na ye de atumpon and I was here to me then na abandon so to me ya abandon ya two mama no say omeye to me and face it there and but so face ya yen you see this adwene pa etechire ni yen say na say we ya bon ya dey to me say na kura na anya hwe me na so what ya say
Matias na ewuza for dey mo pere me na me sama me guest ba ko asabe ka ye ho ewura imano jesi me mana kwa ba na say ono so be ka dwumeden ura mo kwa ba bibi akoko
nyamia
wan so boko de so mama we pressure bia okay na ye hwe Captain Smart kweti awa kwete face the country do na that is speculative say say na dey ko any bri mu pa de betimi akwa aba say abai na fechire eri na ko meeting bi a ye behind closed doors I say ye ntimi hu emu say because Captain Smart pa o so ndo obi a hye no so ode no ho ad bibi opebi otimi kan bang obi antimi holding up na say all of a sudden was my creative face the country after on kasa against abandon there na aba muni amuna committee na say there na ekoso mun kire mu kakra
oh there be machia na machia ya chefo ni minyu apini ima Ghana for ni na omajibra mo shey yes and nanado danko ekufa Ghana man pini
Ambon di kran ke be mo oto
Ghana man pini na minyu apini ne ka say ono na Ghana ato abano
ede amano
yes enti nana ene anope mechia na machia the hard working MP for Kankwe Central Yera Honorable Patrick Yabuama any constituency executives ni na meko wasem so no enye se ebia Captain Smart buying penny for closed doors and then a meeting and ABB. I don't think so. Captain Smart AOB or budgeting for 7 and he knows what is right from what is wrong. You understand?
Hey, Mupa no moka Captain Smart come say.
No, you know, the fact that a told you know, as a journalist and Kasano, your work is not sacrosanct, you know. Sometimes you know we have to critique you when you go wrong.
Yeah.
You get it? It is a bia and never yet adibina say yene no enyagia eno nche say bia na yetan na bibi
okay
when you take the New Patriotic Party NPP amanyokwa ye free muna. First of all, we believe in rule of law and we believe in the work of journalists, you understand? And especially journalism from the rank and file. If we NPP akola ketwa kradi kwako wie mampeni na nekufo adeswa. We have a lot of journalists. The talk of Gordon Asarividiako and the rest, you understand? So we'll be the last people to have challenges with you kind of saying journalists, you understand? Okay. Yes, so Senior Mekano, Captain Smart AOB, well, maybe he has his own faults and all, but then he's somebody he's a fierce critic of this government, you understand? But then Senior Meka once again no or Yabajimba, and that he knows what is right from what is wrong. Yeah. You get it? And Untiminka say Abia a buying penny for a feature and then I could in command.
Oh, remember reason Tia Meka said the
yes, it is far from that.
Okay.
You know, Senior Mesomeka no Yabajim for. And when you take I mean Yabajimba, when you take fix accounting crop for now, they lack a clear vision. You understand?
Only vision.
Yes, to me.
Oh,
I'm sorry, but you know, it hurts me to be this blunt, but clearly they lack some form of roadmap via or move this so because
plan.
Yes, because yes, clearly because when you ask or paying for no and now Obia or can fix the country, when you ask them fix the country, what exactly do you want us to fix? What exactly should we fix?
There's always someone
you know, they can't say anything really. But then, because the entire American is saying is a neomoka adebako, but a different thing. Last time it was about fix anything, just anything. Be able to one of their leaders, conveners, no, back was a day. I've forgotten the name or a lawyer, or your lead convener, one of them.
Okay.
Some time ago, he was like, "Yentu constitution, no." And so yen tonchina yakofa a different one. You know, the people lack vision. You understand? But then to put them aside and focusing on fixing the country, ever since you know, let me even begin from the days of Nkrumah. The problems of Ghana is something that day in, day out, we fix them. You understand? We are fixing them. Yeah. But then you would notice anytime it is under the new patriotic party, the NPP, it looks like the rate or the pace at which we are fixing Ghana's problem is very high. You get it?
There's more than bomb.
Yes.
We are in so okay.
Yes. And Oshe, the 50 man penny for Abreso, social intervention policies or the buy a lot, Metro Mass Transit, NHIS, and the rest. You know, a lot of them. Nyama do fast track to Nana Adedankwe Kufuor Ghana man penning. When you take any sector and every sector of the economy, every sector, be it educational sector, be it communications, be it digitalization, be it health, every sector beyond man penning has done something tremendous. You get it? I can give you some plethora of examples. Over educational sector, I wouldn't even see, and I wouldn't even talk about the free senior high school. You know, but then the various classroom blocks are across the various senior high schools, over 800 of them. Of course. Okay. You understand? There will be arguments where you say, school are dying for. But here is the case, Ghana for Nangasan, schools are dadana atumudada. You get it? So taking schools like Achimota, St. Thomas Aquinas, Ebri Girls, you know, those big schools. Yes, and one kola no munina most yes or more person or monko. It's you can say you are going to create a new one. Sometimes it's quite problematic. Though I am not downplaying the advantages of creating new schools. You get it. But then kola no do one person or monko schools. The ones I mentioned. You understand?
Yeah.
So going forward, we have to you kind of saying increase the infrastructure. All those schools no. Indiana Obesha. Senior Americano 800 over 800 6-unit classroom blocks, 12-unit classroom blocks across the various schools. When you go to health, Agenda 111 and the rest are ongoing. You know, when you go to
there's a more bomb home.
Yes.
Yeah. Today around 1 year, but you use a more bomb home day. But in here, sir, rumors here about but there's a more and I'm on Captain Smart. I call behind closed door. I call and some with just so no. Don't know coming from the fact that recently you are a man penny and I could follow Okoshia or say to 240 at the Cocoso, any thing come kakra. Ever say a man saying money to just say ora Alan Chemantin and say obedi na die ono no way ono ebe continue the race sana yet say about that was the report.
No, but I always think I'll be team and penny right.
But ora Alan Chemantin.
Yes, but I also heard say Yera Akoto. Yes, the agric minister Oboni din so.
O de yefa ono de na hete Akoto de na hete.
No,
but they hete no Alan Chemantin. I'm just using it as an example. And he has been himself before 2008 Ram Penny that John Ajikum Kufu office na do na speculate say onya yanka Alan Chemantin and Kababidi Nadia now no be take over as a flag bearer for the NPP and I went to me amfa enti do no ka position say sa na agoba ne say na yewura ye mampeni kase ya na ndie betu baba ne say ye mampeni dada Kufu ye a member of the NPP still no senior member ndie na say enkoma akweche because him say ne papa Captain Smart papa any yewura ye former president Kufu na say enkomo na akweche no na free bawo enti mon ka no kra na nkyira ye wa ase adenti na mo akwa akodi sa nkomo we
it is not absolute.
Okay.
And just as you said, they are mere speculations, you understand? But
science is showing because you see ever since a bar say we withdraw from Fix the Country, make Captain Smart asem. I feel was last year I go for green book aba.
Yes, but send your name Captain Smart here about Jimba.
You know about Jimba dey be so they Ghana ni one back for party.
From the beginning.
Okay.
You understand? Captain Smart.
Yeah.
Maybe some people question say if it's time be anwa ne papa be here president for.
Oh, waka da since on starting radio.
Good.
They
so,
be waka.
Yes,
yeah.
Ne papa air president before. And at a point in time na obashi the NPP government.
Yeah.
So does that mean say at point in time na obashi NPP government no na ne papa nye president before na.
That time
so it is the same thing now.
And the same thing.
Just as I'm saying, you know, Captain Smart Obia, he knows a lot. He thinks a lot. He thinks wide and all. So at a particular point in time, no, he knows what exactly to do. Or no, doing say or could fix the country na a perceived thoughts be say or perceived fix Ghana, even though Nana Kufa Ghana company is doing. You understand? But then or no could he notes to say things were not going right, even amongst the leadership of the Fix the Country people. You understand? So he had to back out. Why do you think, say, if you are the known entertainment lady, she also backed out?
When they say you're threatening life.
Who threatened her?
I don't know. I can maybe say why they threaten.
I didn't want to report to a police station. What is all report here?
Hey.
Did you hear anything? Sometimes
threat you out to be report to.
But you can't just come out and make mere speculation.
Oh, that be. And so obey me come man sanya TB.
No,
but threat will be obey to me a threatener. Baby, I'll call report to one who crowd head.
It's yena or catch yen.
Say I'm gonna feel to be in here.
No, what you say, if you are or can ask him keke, like well, just because she wants the country to be fixed, you know, she's just making some mere speculations. How about that? One report was police station ama DHA police 121 among ama adepa bi ya nya mfa ho. And yes, obi so ti baby obeka say we be am you are attention seekers. You get
but you admit say before even say back out obeka say we trust one year face the country now she was arrested for no reason.
No, it wasn't for no reason. I think if you go onto your phone now, you will notice when they went to court the very first time, there were some misunderstandings. That was why she was picked up. And yes, if you are or don't you are going to pick her up.
Say over 15 people.
Good. So that should tell you say
all of them face the country
no
campaign.
Problem. That should tell you say you need and see if you are or don't so you need see any other person. When you go contrary to the laws of the republic, you will be dealt with.
You'll be dealt with and back. Yo, oh there Fedina wa so the over NPP quite. Remember Adrian Bankade di. Remember chop. Aya no crese NPP motia Captain Smart for the silence and now say a mere speculations. Marco behind closed door I meeting be mama can the sound.
Yo, me aba. That's what was.
Can you be a woman train?
What's my wisdom say no crese you tia Captain Smart say on your silence no. you see Ghana has say no yeah man the biya na asli sem wa
hey yeah concept for
oh o man no mu de o man la say most as we de Ghana hala ha de Ghana ha de to the sense ade chie bia no wan tia sem fufura na say wan kasa ade enchen anasa ade enchen so what you say o man yi mu no ensle sem anasa nkofo asunu yo mu de
okay
nti da bia no ayeye nua no mo bloggers ne omo kuta phone edi pesika ewo video entintan yi aya na omo no ayo mu de because da bia no mo nya asem ye den edi na to ho no mo ma nkofo ye den ehwe comment e mo mu nya kakra wo na se Captain Smart se abaye owo so ye na na dan koku for na ban na ye MPP for ye de no ebema no be di president Captain Smart or bashi anase se se oh one de asma wo kan no or bo MPP for tia enti na no abo MPP for tia ma fe de MPP anase ya fa wa ko man bi ntina o jai de o kan na se okobia na face the council MPP for money can you see they were jai o tennis me no ka se was mo wo kan obi so te evident time so pasama obi be news obi so be den ebeka ni nya na di kan ga se oman no emu de wan ti asem foforo bia adechie bia na ne se uniga na ha na se ade ancho on ka ti asefo ho
yeah
MPP ni bia ni ho no ma obi fle Captain Smart amani ska se onyai ni nsema wo kan na Captain Smart so nyini se ade a wo ye no anase na smo wo kan no okojina na fidie so no kasa onmusa asma American asma se be frem no ka che mam sika yenye o hanum se Captain Smart no ye adwuma wa Dom FM
yeah
menum ye nenum de yenti ya ofri Dom FM ofo no be se ko ABNI
o se ye pochun eno de call Angel
yo eno be se ko hen Angel
yeah
ofri Angel so ko hen ye tin se me ble den sisi ye
yeah no kwe
obetuna fidie so ka se abayimum empayefo bi ene IGP then aye opon bon se odidi ono na tem edidi o mampanyin na be de chire ene na mampanyin atem enti wo anya ya Captain Smart na de kan
oboji a recreate
enti ene die ya o kwatire me se MPP for ya be mani sika no se onyai face the country and so onyai face the country for no se Captain Smart ye bema o ye bema pa o tie dia o make say MPP ni say na man sika and wo jai face the country
ona one wo so ni mu awon pe wo so go
na make say ono
kan na
o sin so ansa na wa heham
okay
enu ti na o free Angel TV oko eye media general o be ka say
Angel
is o he
they say media general
yes
Angel
o friend na oko media general sana me be say me kire oko no o magana fo bia che say si na no wo ye wo eye bia ABN eye Angel ene ma o free ho no manager ko go tin eyi ni free ho no
okay
and say wo ka say na so want me any face the country for chira me so me there ni say to e be ma okuta dua o me ka say asumasi me edua na bam na me man sika say onya MPP for and now say abai mu mpanyimfo bia fe na man sika say onjai face the country so e be ma o me ka magana for nyina yente
okay
bibia say ni ho onu o ka say otu say amamu ara na do dagwa ku fado obu no ebi mada e wo man mu
sa
president ayenya mu nyina no obia ni ho no ma otu abebu o man da e na o mampani na do dagwa ku fado before so obedi o mampani no oyo obi anu osom daye for so many years say obe kia ne ke obe o mampani no Ghana enti no wadi kan aboaboa ne ho ache na Ghana fo ne Nyankopon a okata suri ena no onfa abanya no yeden e ma no enye enim je 2012 si o man mu na ko ba president we aside 2012 gan 2008 ye koto aba atamisi win no ye win election de ko so o man mu a akufo do win first round with over more than 20,000 votes after you say obi anya 50% plus 1 vote enti yes nan ko to bi
yeah
ye ko anya nya hu de si o man mu se na ka ye ma do ma na ete so na se this phone na ete so a ko mu mpre se MPP omu anase omu aba no mu free aba mu obi mbla but omampani kufo ni nim game to say da bi yankoto run off ni biem yakoto NDC for winning over almost 20,000 votes per on atamen be your omampani no krom ya. Okay. What you say? Yeah. Kufo no what you say? Yako 2012 election no yen na ehu de see ye yako pie mo court. Police station bi kra ho do ma ye hu o man mu da eni te se. Enso papa ko afalijan eketi ye ema obi a oteso a odi sympathy nkofo say o me de ye ma win election na and onam a o say enye good for boot as see here eye do or die. Enso ono de ye o say obey o man Ghana ha no nko ne nim nya asante no so ono no ye man pan no krom ha nti wa nya man pan di a 2024 do or die sa no o kire me no ka say nipa kron ya o ka do or die Ghana farm on Akonya, and he is the only person when that privilege is bebree or beer or Columbia, come grandpa and yes, that privilege is me. Because we here in history, quite a so a bam or by a politician. What do you say? Why am doing throughout the life political career? Sandy Bakoy, I'm one of vice president. Fofi and Twata, the man paying a year event at Tamus, Obewuye, a can 1 year. Papa di beso so, Emma 2012. I say, yeah, and yeah, you can't do or die. That time, not do or die, that's a moon. Tension was something really big of an and on the Afghan, when I wear, and now, okay, finger of God, police station man, and on the very national. Young year for Supreme Court, the whole world will be out here. You presented a pin sheet, I was Supreme Court. And yet the Omuko in a month for principal crown. The president appreciate no. Judges are not much classroom say, oh, go for us on the buy. I had another dunk of father. I had his session John Baumia. I had Jacob Tanko better Belamti. O must remember dying. And the credium Supreme Court from yet judge from yet 9. 4 say, must my more can and collect 5 for say. Mean to ma. On my pain, I saw you know, something on the way on puzzle. None of them go for what you say. Or simply not John Mahama. Supreme Court said, well, you know, no one but boo mine. And any idea any two, and you see any idea. Yeah, free any fair, yeah, Atuguba, Judge Atuguba, I said, election is one of the police station. And that time, no kind of some don't make it that punishment. Now, I'm sorry, some of panic and collect. The same is me and the police station. Okay. And the police station election is actually a day. Election, that's 7 December, and I get about the win election. Your registration. We campaign so. The BRB and the election is on at the police station. Dear, said the end. A year MPP National Executive, a year Ola John Bodu down. Who shed the year corner? We are doing everything systematically. Heading towards 2024, but I say any animal in this form to my mom, so we have or die be done. I say boot for boot, and I say it's here to do or die. No, but almost said, yeah, no more year on police station. This year, no, because the MB before is doing mass registration
for almost members
for all a police station, 38,000 police station. Okay, because any animal in this for say, and Johnson Shelly could tear down or yet the nurse secretary. Then almost your own police station. Open for how police with MPP before. They are raising every member of MPP. Okay. That means I'm going to prepare for 2024. Okay. My more position there, I'm away. That means election on just yet. You are waiting for the day 7 December. Now for do last year. Now I said one declare me and you do or die. But do or die now. I cannot. Miniaba. Me and this go be na ofie. Omo you be awon for do na die be awon so ya aba. That person today.
Hey, it's Captain Smart as some pan or the for us. O de ye betwa so sesi a na me what's he doing? Who is saying this here?
Well, you cannot see in its entirety say Abia on your credible and now credible. Well, sometimes on your credible at times too. You understand? We are human. Maybe Robert Fumana Bibi. I wouldn't want to engage Captain Smart a lot. You understand? He doesn't deserve a lot of attention. You understand? So I'll leave him like that. You understand? And focus on the things that we are doing. You are saying say ABR or you're credible and now on your credible and now BB. You will recall Semika earlier say fix the country, net a lucky focus. So ABR Nyamia Nadom na say anyway who's a fix the country, and yet I did dia or no say like and I say or no say it was a mirage of a sort and I probably an illusion. Yes, na say afi nyame amanini abane ho so a and I will be a chenaji and I be a papa kufu was any and I working a chenaji who abaso say no what you are doing is wrong or something. I would leave Seni American, he's not somebody worth giving an attention. You understand? So we'll leave him like that. You understand? For our Ghanaian populace to deal with him on that score. You understand? But His Excellency the President is doing a lot that deserves some commendations. You understand? And we are fixing it.
We are fixing it, Ampa. You movie encore a year Tiger IPI one more some upper bonte. Anas, I remember Anas. For some time now, no. Comfort do not have any issues ever since Ahmed Swali who know about upset worker. It's me invest undercover investigator say now worker to me under such circumstances not up to now since 2019 the CNA we have not been able to find the person behind and now company say why video say no videos investigation about but you are chill busy or cast and pamina me here na nice assembly that what and no crown ko dan chena the second wife as what they about bonting through Icra Facebook page say ye share nebusia for or ne ma omo wo chire o ma say ne ma phone ye agufie wo mu nko school na say all sorts of things are or they about bonting and you nim say Tiger IP a small organization and then say wo mu afi no mo sha say afi no mo pom kakra de abom mo Oscar at least or some more strategies a bit me that worker asematono. Now for all this to come up, Mami starting free Edianaba. Ahmed Swali, the second wife, the allegations of the Ababon, the first thing who is saying, now secondly, I call and ask so more reactions on what they are Ababon.
You mean, I'm sorry, that's it. So,
yeah.
Tiger IPI Ahmed Swari, the late Ahmed Swari knew the chins and some. Say, Abemano, Yamano, who you know, film, say 1 year a term.
2019, 2 years to create him.
Exactly.
I can count 5 years.
2 years. 2 years. 2019, they say 5 years to marry over.
I say 190.
Do to say, I think Obiwa. Yania can for the Canada, the Diana Chino. Nanka, Unyakono, Papoda, Dina. Or the general. You can't only Muslim for intermediacy. Marco Shepon, the national from the Dada. Because think about this time, no. I'm a sorry, need some new Kwasenka, a better one. But because of sometimes, you are not bloggers, nay, busy, obi popularity, and I say, the political experience of a so Benya, fame, Calabin, you know, Coco Fire, Ababatum. And can you say I'm sorry at some point and can want some being because only a baby a man. Or I didn't think I can want some see a kuno. Yes, Yakuno say, and you're not going to Yakuno, man. Or man, you probably woo are your bobby to only a doom. But I don't put a aside what's my will be some sense and they didn't have a fast minded. As a baby, no, you like a fast minded. Abba. Yeah, some men go for buying. Or say, you could not or kind of free mono. Nenka ozusenka nikuni free mu no fie me nuachi no adwuma nenka nikunu no ebo Tiger IPI enuntina omutu se enuntina bi bon tu a wuye ndiko ne de nenka ozusenka nikunu free mu no nka Tiger IPI Anas areme ya da no enkosenko mutu do money share wom na ile no ene ne ma so ene ne ma asenka mutumi show mu se de be ya okunafo okunafo na ni yie ne ya
yere no mienu
okunafo mienu umbo na aka sa na yele mienu fine na say ye nia be ma ofli mu aye ameswari no o ware mienu kama o befu no o ware mienu
yeah
na me dem bo dem te say sa de all companies is ya na ye obi a na ye ne second wife
otoso mienu
ono no ewo aye baako ono no wo baako
ato no ndo ka ma nkwala fo no e wo mu ntem ne yeah
but ono no abeka ono otoso mienu no abeka
to na kukudu o wa kukudu
enti no that means aye ameswari and I say tag IPI ni na sare me ya da no ma me ni person o kire say omo ntumi ahwe no abla ne kunu no efili mu up to now omo hwe ni mbo fine nasma wo ka no waka na me sume ka say ukunu fili mu no 2 years fie mienu akiri no de na wo so ye den o ye ukunu onye adwuma wo eye tiger ip abiem ana no mi hu se eye Ahmed sorry asemu ba yi o da betu dwa se o hwe
anas na woka
anas o hwe eye okunafo mienu na omu kunu afilimu no eye Ahmed sorry no o hwe omu embu mo cheche mu ka se de woka no ni na otoso Ahmed sorry e wale mienu ema ne yiri ya ne oye complain yan ye di afisiana pe ena oba no ko wale ye di afisiana pe ena omu aye muslim tihye mu no omu de be ma oba no eko de busuafo aye temale no omu de ne ko ye na that means awale na sem de oni oyile ukuna wuma wan ya banti no
o
fa ne se
ni problem bi
nti de ko na ko ba obla nti no ko aye no anche ena oba no free aye no for no straight to tema oba se be se tema ena oba wale foforo ho no mini aba wo free ukuna wu ema afinie afiaba ema obi a wo se afide ukunu sa afide wo ye hu ya pa na chikura
onkunam
nti onkwa na one oba one ne wo ye ono oba ena makọ ye de makọ mobusuafo ena odum ye de ko ye no anso ha na wanga se wotu bataba enkra kro biem no obesna ko tetema ena wa besa be wale ho edu be wale ho no samle na e ko mfie mi no de na wanga sa wo so wo ye nye obi a ma me complain de ono ni wo mamu miensa e me complain ye wa ono wo baba ko no se wo ye slave queen no so ye de yo what wo mo sa say Ahmed sorry ne former work worker tiger IPR the former boss sila omu hwa nti omu hwa ko si na sen na wo so what me e say you ko wale e say si e kano mlemu a oni Ahmed sorry ni ho no bi because e say woni be ma wo fro na wo no
yeah
and tiger IPR so be ka say enkra na Ahmed sorry di omu ja ho nyina no omu education ne semo omu health insurance semo omo so kwa bie fa no kwa muma ye hwe wo mu den na oba na open na o de go for ton piota ni anka works traffic mi wo de o tun ton bia na that's every day every month bia na say tiger bia kra se wo de salary na okum agiye no say 2000 na ye nchem e ma na emi ne de mo 1000 na be so up to month na nti oba no dent na obetumi abe complain say chinchina tiger IPI omo hwe wo ne oba because ukunu ewu ngwa na ayokura ni okromu ya ngwa ni kura ni okromu ya na ene se ne ke ka dia enka omo kura wu hanu mu nyina no na bi omo ya adwuma na se e ko omo ko bosum ya so no ko jacket ya
sa
sa na oba no so chire o
it's slave queen
yes so o dey slave queen now so obepa bibia ya e go me ka sa asem so o ye bibia ana so ton bibia nso kura no ton kromu ya no man kra ton nso kura na e sikamu unko jo be so nko depende enti oba de o ka ka tumu se onu kra no onye obi a na ko san ye wale no ebia se de o ka otoso mienu agwane nam no hu na ho ofenti no one ne ko ye bibi na akra bi ba mu na anya ofa no to no so no o wale no ba yesi e fofi anto ata be ma na film enti be ba na film tintina wo film enti be bia na o e go tintina so mo hwe wa ko pem tama o so nya ko ma ba fo akọ ana so den
na se we hu se ohaw e wo fie enkula no school semri atoba ha so no kapo de na e ba ku no no anya okunu fufa wa no betimi ahwe a ne kra de miensa ne kra nde so ware yo tirifa ko anro no so oba obunu hu se no ka na se no so aka che because according to oba we no kotra ne kra no check akra na nya koso obi fi honum no munya de omu dimpo na mu de bia mankola na ko school no say ya sem kese nti no the two group no mu say enko mu akwa muslim group no mbo bia say according to muslims no more tradition obi e kunini a ye ntani ni ye na doye tine say ko ba ye na doye kakra na ejamu de ababo mu nti ono de pon ni say we hu say bone koso ofia nti ontimi kana
bone se ukuna muma be bia
ko ba say ke fa nyomo ye fa nyomo ye sike say fa mo ye fa mo ye na say okunoni one ne krani amo ebre komo de wo ma wo ma student bi ko school ero no okoka ye
okunani ne kompra na okompani na ne se okunu free mu no be bi ne okunu ye adwuma no omo hwe no sa no o chele
sa so ne
e na me so me pesa me chele ne se ewulei se wo tra ho no mo se okunu awu 2 years ni chenchi na okunu awu dwuma fo ana se okunu omo ne former employee omo hwe de a ene capital kra me na me se bo mo fama
hey
oh yeah come na make catch no so odwum a mo ka prem because won't mean na ono mo se ne ekurafo mo ka na hina na se wiase hina se mi kura wu me nya adwuma bo so mi aso a mi kunu adwuma fo mla misika de e comedy wakun okura bo no ncha asase you so because oh se bible kura ka se ensa anya adwuma na yeden enidi enti na okura wu na se okunu kura atiase a okunu kura chinchina o se menya adwuma so okunu tiase a chinchina o se menya adwuma
nti na se wo ye adwuma
o se wo ye adwuma the man depending on aya obi certain na
oni ne yere hwehwe se me ye adwuma nti wo menya adwuma trefie hwe nkwala no
oh ebi o hono mo but so fine wo ne wo yila a hwehwe se menya adwuma me ye adwuma wa hwe nti no bosum ya so a wo de wo ye housewife minu ya ba enemlei se wo ye oba na se wo te hono mo na se wo se wo kunu se menya adwuma wo ye housewife na to se ekomedo because me be ma me fam de bia ekomedo se wo ye housewife tina fie na wo kunu komla na o mla usika na de wo de ade perfect ma wo hu ana nti da bia na be ka che okunu se o ma wansiri na fa koto muku ana o ma wansiri na fa koto entos da bi o so at least mo so tumi de eto bibi so what I say enti aba so ne ire na se mo kan de e wo se gana fa kuro mo tugu ni kwa so mo de be ya sem
omba ya sema mpa me bro so me utu say edu na ba ebi edu de lipo ba ma fa na wo me kakra na dodo na so ka say enkwakwan bi su na sanka aban embrem because we Ahmed Swali wo no a major murder case because eduma na wo ye na eduma ye kosi ni wo number 12 expose no na ye something about the country I say football association na mabonya so no campo na say nam suma onabo kene Japan dey ni phone ba opportunity just say connected to aban eti process sabre besi sabre aban timi hu doku no entwi ni pana so akakra ko betimi ya ama ebusuane so be so ma se nkola ewo ye amesole chi no be so mu no wo medication te den ene etimi tutu o mu ajeje mu sa ama nkola yi nurse yi nsho mu aban so yi ni ama na se nkola na mo se so papa wu kwa na ere ni asem disa me de ema ani ti na ban memu ye
no but adding in aban so mbrem
enya aban aduma na no wo ye se aduma wo ye ma aban
no oye ejuma e de ama tiger IPI and not abiding to see the government.
Abiding benefited.
Well, to some extent, the government benefited.
No,
but the son I work on the any obia or ye juma baby I say who I said and you was abiding in Bremu. I believe that Ahmed Swali any one chino. Diana a war was say abiding yeno. The government of the day did it. You understand? Somewhere in 2019, I recall say the Minister for Defense and the Minister for Interior, National Security Minister, any other day, they visited the family, whatever it was there, they commemorated with the family. They did it with the family, you understand? So, if you say the government of the day has not done enough, well, I don't really understand. Is it by calling the perpetrators to book another day to be specific?
Oh, catch him say, I buy you or pay journalists first or support journalists.
And I said that because of Enyema Abino IHM.
Make up see some so we send us make up see some so. Make up see some didn't say I buy emblem. very supportive journalist. Now we the style of journalism here undercover. On me exposing home. Now undercover you acquire such a big deal. Say number 12 expose a fat Ghana. Got a channel proya air course a football association. Ghana sick and a hope you. No, it's me exposing all these defects in society. Now about point now by it made now straight to an also or ye GFA president if you or ye refi phobia if you now sir period yeah my brother here from Western Inquire. You say Abai has no responsibility towards him and his children.
Well, not to its entirety. Say, yeah, a mind does not owe him some form of allegiance. And
okay,
earlier, no, whatever the government is supposed to do, no, the government has done it. You understand? But you see, I know the onus lies on where he was working. Maybe I know you, Jumano Tiger IPI, to deal with those issues. You understand?
See, Abai any responsibilities for the children. Oh.
As it stands now, the major responsibility the government of the day has is to make sure, say, the corporates are caught and then dealt with. You get it? They are made to face the full rigors of the law. That is the main agenda that the government has to do now. Okay. The task ahead. You get it? Because say about on welfare my brother Edianaba has said a lot. Senior Okano and even Senior Anas Aremia Anas earlier through his write up on Facebook near the adeno. He said, say, the I was a onye emomo, he's done it. You understand? Okay. And I'm sure he continues to do that as time goes on. And Oshe Obaneswa, maybe going forward, she should try and engage herself with some work or something. Obani issue, I don't really want to venture inside because Adrianaba has said a lot. You get it? But then, what the government is doing, no, it has done, or what the government is supposed to do, no, why? Yes, why? Say making sure say or more a sitting mobile year and they can count from the beginning when the issue happened. No, even the president himself. On several occasions said he would make sure that the perpetrators are brought to book. The work also money. No, I know say the Minister for Defense, Interior Minister, and the rest, they did everything they were supposed to do. You get it? Yes, but then the major task ahead, they say you beat me actually corporates, no, and then make sure say they will be brought to book. You get it? And linking it to Honorable Kennedy Japan, saying you now earlier no. I don't know where the linkage comes in. Is it a case that, or is it you understand and say, yeah, Kennedy has a hand in it and I don't really get it. And I think because
he mentioned his name,
you know, Kennedy Ejapong, as a man I know, or we all know, cannot even harm an ant or a fly.
Yes, that's what harm you be.
No, but
we are not accusing him of
yes, but that is the impression being put across. Say, yeah, just because say Oyi name Edibetu Jano.
And not just because it's a big deal. You're an undercover journalist.
I understand. Yeah. But then from the beginning, Oyi name Anas in no. We were here in the country and an uncle even Anas money at the people around Target IPI were saying that they were not the ones. Is the abandoned affair the Omajit Anna see the Omajit to say Ayoma?
Is it Nipan no we Ahmed Swali?
No, but from the beginning, time and honorable.
You can't just accept such a thing.
Okay, so
because of the type of work
at that point, so
they couldn't have accepted it.
No problem. But then senior American honorable Kennedy Japan. So Obekaya Anas issue we Ahmed Swali issue we about or a sum of money that will say if the perpetrators are brought to book and I need to be boa ama yachi perpetrators now. Some amount of money would go in for them. You understand? So, Untiminka say the honorable Kennedy Japan has a hand in it. Though maybe Oyin and Nima Bania, the Adeno was quite needless and it wasn't really the best, But then Metanasi, from a particular point, he was having a problem with the modus operandi of Tiger IPI, especially going undercover and all of that. Well, just going undercover and po in itself is not a problem. But then, say Anas any ninya Ahmed on Mobekako on Mekako make a recording of a sort and then at a point on my kate on my sini any ade. And one thing about Kennedy Anna Oka when this whole issue came up and I said no need the say on mobile one chain to come and give you something and where's a word here need chat. That was the angle Kennedy was coming from. You understand? So he was having a problem with the modus operandi of Tiger IPI. But no, you cannot say Abiana he has a hand in it or something. No. Kennedy I know is harmless. You understand? Though he's vociferous and all of that, but he's harmless. He wouldn't go to that.
But extreme. You have not denied the fact, say, some way, somehow, he contributed to the fact, say, Ahmed Swale was identified and killed.
I don't get it.
Don't dispute that, because the picture now, nobody knows that this is Ahmed Swale. Even only those around him say, okay, this is Ahmed Swale. I'm not sure say the was the point where say he was working with Tiger IP, maybe until after his death.
So can we also assume, say, Abia Kennedy, senior can no mama nani Abia Kennedy no wakoye vociferous inti wababe yes maybe people around him. Can we assume that maybe people around him just did that just to put Kennedy in trouble? Can we assume?
Yeah.
You understand? So me to conclude, no, those speculations, are not really helpful. The Kennedy I know is squeaky clean. Kennedy is squeaky clean. On your beer or your basa. We know him.
Okay, in my mind, this way. Don't you think, sir, if the government doesn't step in to do something for Ahmed Swale and the family left behind that, and go for bear draw back from being patriotic to the country, because let's not deny the fact, sir, even if he was not working in the name of the government, the work he did that ended his life was in the benefit of the government. It is a me dream say okay me ye adwuma mo bi mpona aba say Ghana ye benya into my perfect in media no ashem tina me ye adwuma na mewu na mechi be say aba mpo bi sapo say me ba no school fees at say me ba no go school and no would di no want me be say mechi. Do you think that it would encourage people to be more patriotic to their country?
No, but is it in the known say Abia Abino is not doing something?
I say go Abia Obana make us the money.
But say Abino so sorry, the lady so one no they bought obi no na enya Abino na they so born what they so born bo
on the direct person would
good. So how would you know say Abia the government is doing something and Indian lady they not channel her grievances to the government? How about that? You understand?
Okay.
We all do not know. It's maybe the to me, the right people who would have to deal with this issue. Tiger IPI now the lady was the lady's husband was working with. But then going forward, I think the welfare of journalists have to be looked at again.
Yeah, that's good. So I mentioned
the where the journalist is working. I was say Yema maybe you see how you can high. At least maybe once in a while you have to be motivated.
Now I buy famra.
Yes, but
offer to payroll so
you are working for an individual.
Also once the one I buy jack to my
what the government can do is to ensure your safety.
Yeah.
And you would recall say the government has done a lot to benefit journalists across the country. You understand? Journalist protection is key and paramount to His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo. And at the NDC, you would recall, say a lot of journalists were attacked by presidential staffers. Less people like presidential staffers were attacking media personnel. You understand? Yeah. But under His Excellency Nana Addo Akufo-Addo, nothing of that sort has happened. You understand? And even if it happens, the government would ensure, say, yeah, going forward, your best share or more or welfare would be looked at.
Would be looked at. Yeah, a better was say, Commodity, the very honest and Sana no make about so for the last one. Our next reaction to allegations of Obano, only say it's in the proper taste, so be a react here. Say, what year $10,000 at the amount it for now Obano say good room same into the accusation about but don't also be respond there. Was it in the right taste? No response, no back at the phone,
and I'm say when you am Dika say, some way now. And then someone I say, my friend said, who you see a man attention for this discussion. Because we have a lot of things I echo so many more. I'll see a focus on. Manoka said that he says not for last time Kumasi. Now when the numerous things are echo so Kumasi, when is a man goes here better Hanuma Yeka. And you are nas. And then I'm best worried you accommodate. So what does it? Can stand I am more. Manoka say, ye free Kumasi bar, I say. Come on, you son, near free be dark farms. When I'm a block of Kanswa. As cracker.
Yeah.
It came to a time, how by you near who the echo so on. That farms the booye. Mnoka say his essence not Danko Kufado or by 2017 now. Then this was there who saw the 1 district 1 factory ban. And then Danko fans. Kokumasi he. He said the whole Ghana KFC I can't hand at what to say now. Danko farms and supply I get chicken.
Sir.
Where another Danko Kufado in San Jumanibia.
Okay.
When in summer I was here the yaka and yet I met Swallow when baby kwana you accommodino. Because about 1 year Juma, Okla go wallet, then Oko Wallen, Okuna Wallen. What is his responsibility? So Oko Wareno. What does it? Okula 1 year 2 years. 1 year 2 years on Oko Wale. Oko Wale ya attention or say Okuna Juma for no I say me dey omo help. Hey, I say what to be on him for.
You say wunti any
why didn't you? Who quiet man who was wankasa security na wankasa be security so. Oh safety first. Adwuma mo ye wa no say no. Nti say o say ye hya no mo say Yakopon emfasa ama. Edan ye bu a. Ukwadwuma adwuma no o mesie e ba be suai oh within 2 weeks within ayila. Nti wo ha no mo wankasa wa bo ho ban. And they say tenchina me ye adwuma ba ana say bi ba. Me hya no ma bi ja betone. Your security, your own security is paramount. What has a sort of no credit. There's assembly to and then you want insurance near the honor. Sad insurance and make it up for a year security social security near them. So, do you be a nino? I will honor. Oh, indeed, somebody will see a cannon, and yet I'm sorry, the yellow commodino. I'll see a cannon now down go father. Need you my pa, oh, yeah. You say you know free Kumasi or co is region. A Juma Pet air costume, what a name semi better no say about that kind of wedding. Will be one more traumatic bariate. Only the apostle. Manoka say, I could follow the baby or yet more honor. Baby or yet more. And Jenny, any open by 2 coin court in Gracia. And I say, hey, say the apostle honor. And yet market one upon any. When is someone say I can?
Okay.
And because the Dako fans, you see, I could follow all rival Dako fans. And Fanny Park over 5,000 were a Juma.
Okay.
What I say? Dako fans, a good mamma town. Don't want that time, time. A good year. But I could follow the buy. Why revival? Go ahead. Kumasi International Airport. And the year for plane, the Siko to Kanye, and for plane a coke must be straight from UK to Kumasi International Airport. When you a Juma. Abandon area. When in summer, or see a Canada of wedding, etty. Then yet a mess wallet. Ah, when you're baby qua. Nearly, I say, accommodating in Ghana for Tina Sam. Now, come to work, get more the understanding about where did I
That's one can't check Ghana fool. I can't
Ghana for any better can watch them. I talk of what. Yeah, but I don't want some year. I spent almost 30 minutes. I met Swally. The year accommodating was them. Meanwhile, I go for or 7 of 4.
I know Miss Sevilla met Swally. So not pension no.
I didn't know compare you money. All can compare you money. Only at you money.
I buy beer to my money. Say you to be break out.
Ah, the other parts are so different. Abandoned below Juma. And the other one was abandoned money back. What you want to and they want to do more la pass. And Jama saw the no sort of Malaysia or Senekunus or someone near Juma. That's what now. And the one time and Yadia. A good father, the honor Mono Ghana for whom or drink said the bill man be 2 pounds.
Okay.
They be all done also now, morning 2 and 20 in a wedding. Oh, that's sorry. That 4 years, your money in the second term. We be all your BR and your individual, but on money, dear, no money, I can't go. And I come out what you know.
Okay. Yeah, dear, come on up, baby. And now, answer the back on the final words at Tuja. Na sena radio aka ekufanu sema say no better was there it is sema for final words to wrap it up never to jana.
Well, I thank you for this opportunity once again. Maybe I'm just hoping say going forward no maybe a bit me aka Ghana ho asem a bit me aka Ghana.
Ghana ho come on, don't worry.
Yes, na I'm actually ni wife ni
and no almost be a Ghana for only a Ghana for Massimo here. 18 no
yeah, you might be. I don't know if the lady is a graduate only ejumaya napko wo hono and then me say about 49,000 of them have been absorbed ama space about bedim ope ejuma obetimi akọ and then me free baby ana me free ba no ye call a Greek meeting bi on my office on ope a obetimi abehu me metimi ama no slot ho no na alizo akọ ye ejuma meeting na afforestation I mean obetimi akọ ye ejuma ho no you know I don't want to focus a lot on the lady, you understand?
Okay.
I feel maybe she's depressed or something. So,
orange or something.
Would they do
understand?
So,
lady need a young finance but His Excellency in another Dankwe Kufuor Ghana Mampeni is doing a lot. You understand? You can mention any sector of the economy. I can give you what the government is doing. Let's do the challenge.
Start it.
You understand? From railway through to aviation to jobs creation, youth employment, and the rest. Nancy, why you over here? Justin Kubia lawyer. Yeah. Youth fair, job fair, conference center. A lot of youth. Me who you know, in a way I was enthused about it, and in another way I was a bit saddened because students, I mean youth in Ibibri were not having jobs to do, and I was happy about it. Say, Abino through lawyer Justin Kubia, it's me who said. These are the challenges of the youth, and going forward, something should be done. Something pragmatic needs to be done. You understand? It's your yes, I know. Not just say there and there now. A lot of youth gain job. They secured some jobs. You understand? Yeah. So going forward, your banner say be about better say Ghana Hong Kong and you was it be intimate board the happenings of the country. No, was it be intimate board Hong Kong. Now, in Jumapana, Eda yenim no etimi abohon komo Ghana has under His Excellency Nana Akufo-Addo no there are a lot of prospects here in Ghana, you understand? There are opportunities here in Ghana now you have to take advantage of the system and then make progress, you understand? Now those issues about
that's it come on see dey I sorry so e dey na ba we available about your wrap up and sorry
say yedi asem ba na wi en me de se de minia yima aka no omani yedi de obi akoma so
nkwe
omani betum pon a menu mienu wonso eni nipa entini se omani be yi a enye nipa ba ko ne betumi an ma omani ayi den ayi enye na na da ko kufa don ko a se bi oyo mampani nti ono ko ne betumi omani ayi den akoso enyina ya sede si betumi aboa ede yato abama no na na kwakufa no isese e kasa ide ono na ye the commander in chief of the Ghana Armed Forces. What you say? It's your mind on the lead ye o mampani ba ko pe ekume eye His Excellency na na kwakufa obi ani obiem on the Ghana's president obi ani obiem
yati ase
ntino eyade a ye oye bia nso no ye tanachi Ghana for tanachi Ghana for do na tanachi se na nado ye oye no ye pe to aso ye de oye mebe ya dum ye se Nyankopon hila ye se Nyankopon ho oden ye se Nyankopon bambo ene nimdie onfamon ne fire den fa bu o man se de be ya umleso a etimi legacy de waje bebre agu hono unwie mpo waje bebre agu hono ma isi ye ka ke ni akora ya wo nkura no ye nya wo to won wanya be kra anko be ka free education what you say if na that dem go for there ono no ade a obe ye o man mu no ye nim say before and 2 year ni 2 term no ebe so no na wa ye no be blia aben bia ni won mo betnya compare no
okay
generation to come no bia no ko betnya ne aba ba yes let's say ye nim say the oye no aban fu from be ba ye na MVP aban obeba aye 2024 nso oba beto aso be hyemu kna ema enyuma pa anase be bia pese Ghana eden eduro no etumi eduro ho nti yesre ye nua no MP before amu sanso hwe yen mu nua be ma dua na ba na make asa no esle adesre de kese am letumi enu se esei aye MPP registration ye koso yese so bia akọ registration ni bi obi akọ twene din ma odin ko police station registration ni se de be ya won be ji won atum se won so ye MPP ni na men kote ye nua no magin ka so we e ojo bibie nu we e bibie ama so so ji hu di so ye MPP ni pa de a ko ne ko twere odin na won so odin ko MPP polling station register nim. Said the beya also be di won tum sampa. Me so me MPP ni. Next o kire be ye fa to aba. It me akasi yosen ye koto ba 2024. MPP wo 8 million votes at the hono and the another 2 million vote ide aka ho. Ni yak sili ya kele mahama. Ni do or die no and ye ono na be ye do but obia and die o Ghana anu si.
Obia die ampa. Ebusuafo nyame adom wodi ya bewe ye pa sabre ye sore ye nkomode eso na ansana ye bekono meda obi biara wo join ye during a live yi or den comment sebisa fa live chat no dey by madam assess mutumi join ye sa so na editors awodo any ebiemu nso no engineers amuti echire dandan ifidie ni ema bibia ye kama se na wo hwe no ewo we video no so no madam assess na masenya me sure wo so say that the mama wodin no mo koso anya djuma pa enta ye djubedi echi na me cameraman Yamsin Jamaica 1 ni dark shades reflecting wo me ni so ono so na me enhira no say obodjuma pa ogine mu all this while no other than the camera no ama djubedi aye kama na it was for me kono me crowbia na bi mu saka mo say metimi afollow ye all the social media platforms so Instagram, Twitter so @TooMuchGH_, Facebook @TooMuchGH and na mo wusu enemy me refi me director Ben Bruce ono betre mu dedi kai no ono so na me sure ne pa se da no time echi ebo me chi do ma edwedie no metimi ede ebremo na me di esi no nyame nshi obia bye bye.
Much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great kankambukacious ability worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.
Theophilus Anani, so open the best media school in Ghana there, and you Too Much Multimedia College. We say a band equipment apapa. A chair for a quadruple ewadisium. Any air conditioned room there. A band media law, advertising, camera handling, and a marketing there. And you're not a location ewo abeka free park junction. Fanamba ne gwasio na wankasa frɛ na obi andada wa na memo bi nkasa me frama wankasa frɛ na beti bi.
What's your favorite food here?
Fried rice.
Fried rice.
If you want to eat any food, you have to come to Oseko Munyani Park.
You can come and have a taste of their food. It's very nice.
I always come here. This is like my 10th time of coming here.
No candidates said we are baby and a pabediti.
Wow, Shanamna. Well, your my dear BB and MBA. I had a 7 appear bedidi a viral. I would order Johnny. You are bringing it right there at your doorstep. And here, Johnny pay fee. Mumina mobile Johnny pa. Na hane Johnny papa walk. You were easily gone. Boundary road. Opposite the self-filling station.